Hi, and welcome back to the digital job site where the boards are straight, the weather's great, and there really is a board stretcher. This episode of the digital job site I'm titling The Rafter You're After, and I'll show you a way that I find useful, helpful, pretty simple to create a rafter for this shed that we've been drawing. And to get started, we'll create the wall sheathing, and doing that, we'll turn off the shadows, rotate our model, and draw a rectangle on the exterior perimeter of our upper wall plates. And all this does is give us geometry to use to begin the process of creating this wall sheathing. So I've created a rectangle. It's the same size as the perimeter of those plates, and I'm just going to make a component out of this right now, call it wall sheathing. Get that part done with, and enter the component edit mode here. I'm going to choose the offset tool to get this job done, and what I've done is click with the mouse and drag to the outside of our rectangle, and I'm going to tell SketchUp I want that line to be ½ inch bigger than the rectangle we started off with. And by deleting the face, now I have a little strip of what's turned into plywood. Reverse these faces, and this little strip, now the interior perimeter of this, the exterior perimeter of our wall plates, and this rectangle on the same level as the top of our plates. So by rotating around, choosing the push-pull tool, dragging this surface, be careful to select the width. Now to get this the same height, I can dink around a lot here, or as long as I'm in the push-pull mode, I can hold down the Shift key and reference the bottom of this subfloor layer, and that'll make our sheathing the same height as our framed walls. And so I've created this wall sheathing, and we'll make it out of plywood. Oops, that's a different color wood. So I'll take the eyedropper tool, select the plywood in the model, and color this whole component with it. So now I have a wall sheathing component, and I can grab it with the move tool and move over to our wall plates. I'm going to zoom in here and get this to line up. I use the zoom extents tool to zoom out. You can see that we now have ½ inch plywood sheathing on our doorless shed. And the next step, we'll start laying out our rafter.